What's the meaning of clay? Clay. Clay.
Clay. Clay. Clay is a type of fine-grained natural soil material that is composed of mineral particles, such as silica and alumina, combined with water. When wet, it can be easily molded into various shapes and forms. Once dried, clay becomes hard and durable, making it ideal for use in building materials and ceramics. Its plasticity and malleability have also made it a popular medium for art and sculpture. Clay has been used for thousands of years by various civilizations for construction, pottery, and art, and continues to have many practical and creative applications today.